of Nigeria, chairman of board of benchers. An old man like this doesn't know the law. You don't know the law.
I'll give the petition.
I have petition against her. Nonsense. Nonsense.
You know, after seeing this video today, this morning, whether you support the agitation or not, let's be honest though. Let's just be honest. Nigeria's judicial system is just, I don't even know what to say. It's not becoming funny anymore. The way they are handling Nnamdi Kanu's case is nothing short of frustrating as it stands now. How many times will they drag this man to court? Like how many times without any clear direction? At this point, I'm forced to ask, should they just take this matter to the ECOWAS court? Because I don't understand. Truth be told, this is turning into something else. The Supreme Court already said they have no case against this man. So why is he still locked up?
Upside down! Upside down!
The rule.
Who are not educated. I am an educated man. I can't show them the petition for the simple reason that if you show it,
what the judge said was that the case file.
Listen, this is the laws of Nigeria. The prosecution, and this court doesn't know the law. That is the fact.
Yes.
Poor knowledge of the law is killing Nigeria. Poor knowledge of the law, they don't know the law.
One thing I respect about Nnamdi Kanu is his fearlessness. Man is so fearless. This man is bold, intelligent, and a leader like no other, even in the presence of his enemy. The man, the para. No matter the pressure, he stands his ground. They're just frustrating him for no reason. Who else has noticed his strong leadership qualities? This is not even about sentiment now. The man is just a born leader, my goodness. Now, just listen to what he has to say in this video. Just pay attention and listen to this video. And please, don't forget to subscribe to Ebony People TV. We bring you fresh updates as the day hot. We'll see you in our next video.
Why is it when it comes to my case, they turn the law upside down? They turn the law upside down. Upside down. Upside down.
The rule.
Who are not educated. I am an educated man. I can't show them the petition for the simple reason that if you show it,
what the judge said was that the case file.
Listen, this is the laws of Nigeria. The prosecution, and this court doesn't know the law. That is the fact.
Yes.
Poor knowledge of the law is killing Nigeria. Poor knowledge of the law, they don't know the law. This is a federal gazetted law of Nigeria that says here that the chief judge of Nigeria cannot tell Binta Nyeko what to do. It's here. It's your law. Just obey it. That is why I do what I do. I agitate for Biafra. I agitate for Biafra by right to agitate. My right. They turned it from treasonable felony now to terrorism. Stop talking when I'm talking. Sorry.